All right, on 12. Okay, on 12, the angles of my triangle all add up to 180. So I can take all my angles, add those up, and set it equal to 180. So I got 2x plus 2 plus x minus 7 plus 5x plus 9 equals 180. From there I can just solve. I can add on my x's. 2x plus x is 3x plus 5x is 8x plus 2 minus 7, so that's negative 5 plus 9 positive 4 equals 180. Subtract 4 from both sides. So 8x equals 176. Find divide both sides by 8. And I have x equals 22. Oops. So I know my x is 22. That's not our final answer though. Okay, x is 22. It wants angle z. So I'm just going to plug that in. So it's going to be 2 times 22 plus 2. 2 times 22 is 44 plus 2, 46 degrees. Okay, make sure you read that. Now, if you forget it on your test, you only put what x equals, and if you forget to plug it back in for z, you lose a couple points, but you still get the majority of it. 13 is almost the exact same problem. The only difference is we have perimeter, but we still set up the equation the same. I can add my three sides, so 2x plus 2 plus 3x minus 3 plus 6 equals my perimeter, 35. And from there I can just solve. 2x and 3x is 5x. Plus 2 minus 3, so that's negative 1. Plus 6, so plus 5 equals 35. Subtract 5. So 5x equals 30. Divide by 5. So x is 6. Now the question is the triangle isosceles? So I'm just going to plug that in. So I'm going to do 2 times 6 minus 2, so that's 12 minus 2 is 10. 3 times 6 is 18 minus 3 is 15. So far it's not isosceles. That's 6. All of these are different, so no. It's not isosceles. Oops.
Coach, it's 2x plus 2.
Plus 2, I'm sorry. Big 14, it still wouldn't be isosceles. Instead of 14 and 15. It's still no. Even with my mistake. Yep. Isosceles, two of them have to be the same. It's close, but not perfect. Number 14, we'll talk through this one. I think I took this one off the test, but just in case, we'll go through it. I can find B right away. These two angles add up to 180. So I can do 2B plus 65 equals 180. Subtract 65 from both sides. So 2B equals 115. Divide both sides by 2. So B is 57.5. Okay? All right, now, I want to go ahead and find out what A is. This angle right here where that B is 115 degrees. Okay, because 180 minus 65 is 115. So I can solve for A by just setting up an equation. I'll do it right here. So 4A minus 7 plus 2A plus 1 plus 115 equals 180. Combine my like terms, so it's going to give me 6A minus 7 plus 1 is minus 6 plus 115. So plus 109 is 180 minus 109. So 6A is equal to 71. Divide by 6. It's not a real pretty number, so it's going to end up being 1. So 11. 1 again. 11 and 5/6. Alright, okay, quickly going through these, and we're almost done. Okay, I want to find out what x is. I've got a triangle here, so I can add 62 and 50 is 112. 180 minus 112 is 68. So that's 68. I can do the same thing here because I got another triangle there. 80 and 53 is 133. 180 minus 133. That's 47. I can find x because those two are vertical, so I can do 47 plus 68 is 115. 180 minus 115 is 65. So that angle right there is 65. Okay, last one. Only got about 2 minutes, so I'll go through these real quick. On 16, we want to decide whether or not that they're congruent. So I've got this triangle, and I've got that one. So I've got these two sides. TR is the same on both because it's the same side. It shares it. So I would have an angle, and a side. So it would be congruent by angle, side. And then I just need to list them. So I did ITR. So I is congruent to E, so I need to put E first. T is congruent to R. Okay, so ERT. On this next one, I know that these two lines are parallel, which makes those two angles congruent. Those two sides are congruent. So are these two congruent? Is side angle one of our congruence theorems? So it's no. It's no because remember the side angle is not one of our congruence conjectures. So that one's no. Finally on this one I've got a side, the angle in between the two sides, so it's yes because of side, angle, side. And it was MXD, so it should be MYT. Sorry. So it'd be side, angle, side because you got the sides here, angle in between, and the sides. This triangle MYT. You're not going to see these two on your test, so they're not going to be on the video, so don't worry about it. I'll let them on there just as something to kind of give you a little review of it.
Hey, Jay.